Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make Alfredo sauce simple. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter, 1 cup of heavy cream, and 1 cup of freshly grated Parmesan cheese. A pinch of salt and black pepper will also enhance the flavor. This method is incredibly quick, allowing you to have a delicious, homemade sauce ready in just minutes. To begin, melt 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter in a medium saucepan over medium-low heat. Once the butter is fully melted, slowly pour in 1 cup of heavy cream, whisking continuously. Keep stirring until the mixture is warm and just begins to simmer gently around the edges, but do not let it boil vigorously. Now, remove the saucepan from the heat and gradually add 1 cup of freshly grated Parmesan cheese. Stir constantly until the cheese is completely melted and the sauce becomes smooth and thick. Season with a pinch of salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. Serve your rich, creamy Alfredo sauce immediately over hot pasta. For a perfect consistency, ensure your cheese is finely grated and added off the heat to prevent clumping. You can also experiment with adding minced garlic or a touch of nutmeg for a unique twist. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade Alfredo sauce. It's truly a simple pleasure.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.